do a quick cold start video here. Haven't made a video in a while, so sorry I got my truck running too. Pretty cold. This car's been sitting for about a month or so. This is my 2000 Cadillac DeVille. She must have a bad head gasket or a head bolt or something. She tends to want to overheat a little bit. So I'm going to sell this car if I can find anybody that might be interested in it. But she's in really good shape. Really nice. Of course, it's hard to see with the snow on it and everything. I hope to make a new video soon. But this will be a accurate and true cold start video. It's a 2000 Cadillac DeVille with 79,000 original miles. So here we go. She's alive. Yeah, I bought it about 7 or 8 months ago and was unaware of it having any mechanical issues. She drove pretty good for the first 4 days that I had it, and you know, this ain't the first North Star I've ever had, but it's the first one to ever give me this kind of trouble. But started with overheating right out of the blue for no reason, and it's just kind of a shame because I mean, she's got the all the options a DHS would have. You know, your powered sliding and tilting sunroof, moonroof, parking sensors, really nice clean interior. I'm sorry this is not a good video, but I just wanted to do a cold start on it. So I ended up replacing your traditional cooling radiator, water pump, thermostat, and she still just refuses to not overheat, although it takes it quite a while to do so. So I mean, you got all your heated seats, front and rear, everything, good stereo, but she'll run probably a good 30-40 minutes. But I put a Bars Leak product in it, a head gasket product by Bars Leak that my neighbor gave me, and it did help, I think. Honestly, ever since I put it in, it hasn't really overheated, but I haven't really driven it either. I've just been kind of afraid to, but it's such a nice little car. All your lights work and everything. I apologize for the not so good video. I've been away from the channel for a while since my 1988 Oldsmobile, but this is what I replaced it with. I hope to make a video of it. It's a 1999 Oldsmobile LSS. Very rare, but I mean, if somebody wanted to fix the Cadillac, it'd make a nice car to fix, or part it out, or you know, whatever you wanted to do. There's no rust on it. It's a great shape. So, like I said, just wanted to make a quick video. I'll get it posted later on this evening, and you know, somebody can write in the comment section below, or shoot me a message if they're interested in the car. I'll See you guys soon. Thank you.